amigos de Buenavidaroute. Hoy vamos a ir a un lugar hermosísimo, vamos a acampar en el área de San Diego. Acompáñenos. Hoy le pusimos un nuevo montador de bicicletas para llevar unas bicicletas que tenemos. Entonces nos vamos a mostrar. Ok, yéndonos a acampar. Acompáñenos.
Ok, Andrés, ¿a dónde vamos hoy?
Pues vamos para un lugar cerca de San Diego.
Se llama Burnt Ranchería Campground y queda en Mount Laguna. ¿Y qué? ¿Cuántos días nos vamos a quedar?
Vamos a quedar 5 días, vamos a visitar el 4 de julio allá. Nos estamos yendo porque los perritos se ponen muy ansiosos con la pólvora.
Sí.
Entonces,
Desde que podemos salir para el 4 de julio salimos porque los perros sufren mucho con los juegos pirotécnicos, entonces no nos gusta estar en la ciudad. Y aquí, como pueden ver, vamos sobre el 405 hacia el sur. Vamos a estar relativamente cerca de la frontera con México, que sería la frontera de Mexicali, y en el condado de San Diego. Have you heard of when the Spaniards came to this area of California and started establishing all of the missions? That's why there's so many names here in California that start out with like a saint's name. Like this area. This area is called San Juan Capistrano, and it was one of the missions that they established around here. One of the curiosities we learned not too long ago is the fact that they brought with them mustard seeds to be able to sprinkle around while they were on their trip and not lose their path. Well, those mustard seeds until this day give tons and tons of wild mustard on the sides of the roads and the hills here in California. Okay, and around this area is going to be our first sighting of the Pacific Ocean. You can see a bunch of palm trees, and over there, the blue, yes, that is the ocean. I'll get you some better views once we start going through the Laguna area. But basically the road that we are on is pretty close to the side of the ocean. There is one closer, which is called Pacific Coast Highway, but Freeway 5 will cross California from south to north, go into Oregon, and even into Washington. So it basically crosses the entire West Coast states. Okay, so now we are on our way to the campground on a really nicely named highway going through the side of the hills. It is called Sunrise Highway. And then off of here we will go to the campground. Thankfully, our friend Stephanie lives much closer than we do to this campground, so she's been here for a couple of hours and has already set up a little station for us, because as soon as we get there we have to jump on Instagram and do a live, and then, which if you follow us on Instagram you will have seen by the time that we publish this video, and then we should be able to make some dinner and enjoy the night. But for now, look how beautiful this road going up this hill is. It's actually nice and green considering we're in the middle of summer, and that it's being fairly warm this weekend. But we hope the fact that this is a little bit higher in altitude, because we're at about 4,000 feet in altitude, will make it feel slightly bit cooler than if we were down in more of a desert area. So definitely a cool road to take. It literally just surrounds the sides of these mountains This area is called Mount Laguna, and it's inside of the Cleveland National Forest area. Hey Lex, you want some food?
Speak.
Are you ready for some lunch?
Speak. Speak. You wanna eat?
Look at
I need the third one up there.
Speak.
they're like pop-up dolls there.
Yeah.
Speak.
Oh,
Good girl.
Good, good. She's ready.
I think somebody's gonna get some lunch.
Everybody say hi.
Hi. Oh, video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
So, Graham.
And look at the food. Oh my
Oh
God.
my golly.
Buenos días, mis amigos de Buenavidaroute. Estamos en un campamento, aquí disfrutando de estas maravillas. Ha sido unos días muy acogedores. Salimos de la ciudad de Los Ángeles y estamos en el condado de San Diego. Salimos por el 4 de julio porque los perros les afecta los fuegos pirotécnicos. Okay, we are leaving our spot. This is the last day. And Sarge, goodbye. See you next week. And la chat is coming.
If you liked this video, please consider subscribing, click like, and stay with us for the following videos in this series. If you want to see more of our past videos, the link is to the right. Thanks, and keep on traveling.